Well, hi everyone, I'm standing here on Main Street, and what do all of these businesses have in common with your business? Well, one big thing, and that is that everyone needs to reforecast the world right now. So you know how it typically goes. You may have someone in a region like Asia create a workbook, and then they'll make copies as templates for each of your other regions, and somehow need to create a check workbook that checks all of the numbers across all of these down here. And then maybe you build a P&L on top of it and a dashboard on top of that. It can be quite challenging. Just tying it together spells work and trouble. So how do you get through that? Well, I'm introducing to you today PowerExcel, which is a cloud-based solution that allows your teams to naturally work together through Excel simply by pressing F9 to share their information from anywhere in the world. So if you are having to reforecast your business right now, there is a better way, and it's called PowerExcel. Check it out.